Before we get started, there are a couple of things that you need to know. Throughout this course, we are going to build 3 different projects: an ASP.NET MVC, an ASP.NET Web API, and a simple .NET class library app. Having some experience with the .NET ecosystem is recommended, but it's not required. As for the programming language, I'll be using C#, so having some experience with C# is recommended, but it's not required. For managing code, I'll be using GitHub, so having some basic experience will help you get the most out of this course, but we are going to start with the basics, so it's not really required. As for my coding editor, I'll be using Visual Studio Community Edition, but you can use any version of Visual Studio or any other applications that you are familiar with.